Hi guys, so I just wanted to go through some common errors with the snatch and the clean, particularly from the floor. So a lot of the problems that you see with beginner and some intermediate lifters, it actually happens from the floor to the knee. And that can affect everything else from there. So a couple of the errors, the first one that you see quite often is the weight shifting too far back onto the heels. So an example here. So start position can be set nice and solid through the feet, and then you'll see that the weight comes. You can see my toes just coming up off the ground there. So quite a common one, especially if you've not got Olympic weightlifting shoes on as well. If you've got quite flat shoes, it's quite easy to come back too far onto the heels, and a consequence of that is. So a demonstration. So weight too far back onto the heels, and then you're losing your balance back, and what the tendency from there is to push the hips through to regain balance, and the bar's going to swing out. So an example. And then you can see I'm off balance there. Another error as well that you get is the opposite problem, quite common again, is the knee's not travelling backwards as well, so the bar's actually travelling forwards. You can see there it's over my toes, knees too far forwards. And again, the problem there is if the bar's too far forwards, if it's over the toes, quite often you'll see lifters pull with the arms because the bar needs to come back to the hips, or pushing the thighs and the hips forwards and the bar swings out forwards. So ideally what we're looking for is the bar to stay close, feet to stay flat, shins vertical. There, so feet are flat through the ground.